The DJI Osmo Nano has finally arrived, and it's already making waves in the world of compact content creation. Designed to be as portable as your smartphone but far more capable when it comes to stabilization and creative control, this tiny powerhouse is aimed at vloggers, travelers, and social media creators who want professional-looking results without carrying bulky gear. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and loaded with smart features like AI tracking, gesture controls, and multiple shooting modes that promise to elevate your videos instantly. But the big question is, can something this small actually deliver cinematic quality, smooth footage, and reliable performance in a variety of shooting conditions? In this video, we're diving deep into everything it offers. From its design and build quality to real-world shooting tests in bright sunlight, low light, and fast motion situations, we'll put it through its paces. We'll also explore its app integration, battery life, and intelligent shooting modes to see how it really performs for creators on the move. Stay tuned, hit subscribe to Technify, and let's find out if the Osmo Nano is your next essential filmmaking companion. The Osmo Nano makes a strong first impression with its modern, minimalist design. Weighing under 180 grams, it's incredibly light, making it easy to slip into a small bag or even a jacket pocket. The brushed metal finish feels premium, and with multiple color options, it can match your style. The controls are tactile and thoughtfully placed, giving a natural grip whether you're filming in selfie mode or landscape. Setup is quick thanks to its collapsible gimbal arm and magnetic phone mount. Unlike bulkier gimbals, it doesn't need balancing. Just unfold, mount your phone, and shoot. While the Nano uses your phone's camera, it supercharges your footage with DJI's stabilization and AI-driven features. Compatible with most iOS and Android devices, it supports high-quality video when paired with capable smartphones. The intelligent image optimization adjusts colors, brightness, and sharpness automatically, so your footage looks crisp and cinematic whether you're outdoors in bright light or indoors in low-light conditions. Stabilization is where it truly excels. The 3-axis motorized gimbal smooths out shaky movements, even when you're walking, panning quickly, or filming from a moving vehicle. With modes like follow, tilt lock, and FPV, you can adapt stabilization to match your creative vision. The DJI Mimo app is the command center for the Osmo Nano, unlocking full control and creative tools. It's user-friendly for beginners but offers advanced options for seasoned creators. You can edit, preview, and share in real time. Built-in templates and AI editing suggestions make polished videos quick to produce. Live streaming support is a welcome bonus for influencers and event hosts. Battery life is solid for its size, delivering around 2 to 2.5 hours of use. With USB-C fast charging, you're back to filming quickly. A clever addition is bidirectional charging, allowing you to power your phone in a pinch. Creative shooting modes are plentiful. Dynamic zoom gives dramatic camera movements without losing detail. Time-lapse and hyperlapse are perfect for capturing the passage of time. Panorama mode easily stitches wide, immersive shots. Gesture control allows you to start recording with a wave of your hand, perfect for solo creators. In short, the Osmo Nano blends portability, pro-level stabilization, and intelligent shooting features into a device that's ready to go anywhere your creativity takes you. In today's fast-paced world of content creation, versatility and portability are everything, and the DJI Osmo Nano nails both. It's small enough to take anywhere, yet powerful enough to deliver the kind of smooth, professional footage that can make your videos stand out. Whether you're a travel vlogger capturing epic landscapes, a social media creator making short-form videos, or someone who simply wants better-looking family and event footage, the Osmo Nano is built to elevate your results without adding bulk to your bag. Its combination of smart shooting modes, seamless app integration, and rock-solid stabilization makes it more than just a gimbal. It's a creative partner. After testing it across different scenarios, it's clear that this little device is capable of much more than its size suggests. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Osmo Nano, hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe to Technify for more hands-on gear reviews and creative tech insights. Until next time, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep telling your story, because the world is waiting to see it.